everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here to talk about the iPhone SE 2022, and one of the things a lot of people aren't talking about and that you probably won't see a lot of other places, and it's that you can save a lot of money by buying older accessories. Now this is not a plug for any particular accessory, not a salesman here. I'm just here to save you some money because the phone is exactly the same size. And that's, a good thing in some regards. I know a lot of people look at it and go, iPhone SE 2022 looks the same as the SE 2020. Looks the same as the iPhone 8 and the 7 and the 6S. It's kind of a recurring theme there, but apparently people like this design, which is fine. I'm glad that they have it. We've got the iPhone SE. You can go to the Apple website and check their lineup, get the iPhone 11, the 12, the 13, 13 Pro, 13 Mini, whatever. There's so many different iPhones to fit people's individual preferences. But this video is not about that. This video is to save you some money because there are two things that are really important that you need to get if you're going to pick one up. And I'm fairly certain people are going to buy one because the last one sold about 50 million over the last 2 years. And you're probably thinking, okay, is that good? Is that bad? Well, when you look at the Samsung Galaxy S21, not just the S21, but also the Plus and the Ultra, estimated sold about 20 to 25 million last year, which is about the same as the iPhone SE. So the smallest, cheapest, rinky-dink iPhone SE sells as much as the best top 3 Samsung phones. So a lot of people like these things. So what you can do, you can go to eBay, you can go to Amazon, all sorts of places, and you can get an older case. This might work out in your favor because there's actually a really cool case that I'm going to buy again for mine if I can find it. If you're familiar with a company by the name of Nomad, they make my most favorite leather cases. They actually made a blue leather case for the iPhone 8 back in the day, and I got it for my iPhone SE 2020. So I'm going to buy it again if I can find it still on eBay for my iPhone SE 2022, which I'm picking up on Friday. So there are a lot of places you can find these, especially battery cases. A lot of people really focus on the fact that it doesn't have a big battery, which is very true. It's a very true statement. It doesn't have a big battery, but there are a lot of battery cases out there that you can get for it. So I bought one of those last year too. It was a Mophie one. I think I paid like 29 bucks maybe on Amazon, and it gave me all the battery that I needed. So go check Amazon, check eBay. If it's an iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone SE 2020, iPhone SE 2022 case, they all work. Don't be fooled into thinking that just because UAG has a thing saying, oh, iPhone SE 22 case is in now, that iPhone SE 2022 plasma case is the same as the one they made for the 2020, and if they had it before that, it was the same as that too. So don't waste a bunch of money going out buying these things that they advertise iPhone SE 2022. Of course they do. I'm sure there'll be some new colors. There's going to be some new different things. I don't know exactly what colors Apple's going to have, but I'm sure they'll have a few, right? They like to do that, come out with new cases. They just came out with some new colors the other day for other phones. So that's the thing. When you look at what is available and out there, they've been making the same 4.7-inch screen protector with the cutout for the Touch ID button for a long time. They have them at Best Buy. You can go pick them up. Probably a 2-pack by Insignia for like maybe 15 bucks. I don't even know. There are a lot of cost-effective accessories you can get for this phone. So shop around, find one that you like, and then make sure you put, of course, the case and the screen protector on it. Or if you want to roll a la carte and not have any of that stuff, you can do that too. A lot of people like the design, especially the product red. I went with the graphite one this time. Last time I had product red. Actually, I bought all 3 colors last time. So yeah, I like them. I like them just fine. I like the iPhone SE. It's always had a special place in my heart because you get all the power and sophistication. Now you get 5G, and a lot of people saying, well, why didn't they just use the older processor? Well, if you look at the A13 versus the A15, there's a lot of battery savings to be had there, especially using a 5nm processor, the latest technology. This sucker is going to be supported for like a decade, like basically for forever. I will probably be 48 before this thing stops getting updates. And I just turned 38. So yeah, save yourself some money, go get a case, go get a screen protector, call it a day, and enjoy your new iPhone SE. And particularly if you can find like a battery case, that's going to give you a lot of extra juice. It's a pretty decent thing to do, and they made so many of them. My only concern now is it's been so long since they made any of them. You may have more trouble finding some of the older ones on better deals, but still, you can find cases and screen protectors all over Amazon for this thing for very, very inexpensive. So don't be fooled or misled into thinking you need to go buy a more expensive one because it has the 2022 on the end of it. it's the exact same phone. And that's how Apple is saving a lot of money and still bringing this phone at $429. I know there's heartburn that it's not $399, but I mean, come on. It's been 2 years, a lot of changes. It costs a lot of money to make these things. The profit margin is not like it is with the iPhone 13 and all that stuff, where they're charging $1,000 for an iPhone 13 Pro. Anyway, don't want to get into that too much. This was really just a PSA to come tell you, save yourself some money, find you a nice case and screen protector to protect your investment. So that's all I got. Have any questions or comments, head down to the comment section. I'll get back with you. Enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.